So yan guys, nandito na po tayo sa loob ng airplane ng Air Asia. Ayan. Okay. Hang Ed, dito po ako. So yan guys, ako yung nakaupo ako dun sa 10F. At least, nakapasok na kami at 3:40 ay lilipid na po ito. So, thank you very much guys. So yan. Parang nabunutan talaga ako ng tinik. Kasi ang bigat sa dibdib. Ang bigat sa dibdib kanina ng umaga. Buti nung nagpaalam ako, binok ako agad. So, ayan guys. Goodbye Hong Kong. See you on Sunday. Ayan guys, thank you very much for watching and God bless you all. God bless us all. Hello guys, ito po yung Air Asia airplane. So yeah, once again, see you. Ayan, buhay OFW.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes feel like a dynamite, ready to explore right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky.
Dear guests, we have landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Please be informed that your arrival will be at Terminal 3. We are pleased to inform you that we have landed 17 minutes ahead of our schedule. The local time now is 48 minutes past the hour of 5 in the morning. For your safety, please remain seated until the signal sign is switched off. Be careful when opening the overhead compartments, and please ensure you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the aircraft. It was a pleasure having you on board, and we look forward to serving you again soon. On behalf of AirAsia, Captain Chester Garcia, First Officer Justin Savalino, and the rest of the crew members, we would like to say thank you for flying with us. Sa mga naming panauwing kalalapag lang po natin sa Ninoy Aquino International Airport, tayo po ay patungong Terminal 3 para sa inyong maayos na pagbaba. Kinagagalak namin ipaalam na tayo ay maaga ng 17 minuto sa takdang oras ng pagdating. Para sa inyong kaligtasan, manatiling nakaupo hanggang aeroplano ay hindi pa ganap na nakahinto at kayo ay nabigyan na ng pahintulot na bumaba. Mag-ingat po sa pagkuha ng anumang bagay na maaaring mahulog mula sa overhead compartment. Bago po kayo bumaba, tiyaking nasa inyo na ang lahat ng inyong kagamitan. Isang karangalan ang kayo mapagsilbihan at inasahan namin na muli tayong magkikita sa inyong susunod na paglalakbay. Sa ngalan ng AirAsia ni Kapitan Chester Garcia, unang official Justin Sabalino, at lahat ng aming kasama, kami po ay malugod na nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagtangkilik sa atin.